In today's video, I'll be telling you a country you can study for free for your master's degree. So if you're living in Africa, Nigeria, India, Asia, wherever you are, whichever country you are, you want to study abroad for free, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is FaithOjone, and on this channel I talk about ways you can travel abroad and settle abroad. If this is the kind of content you like, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and without saying so much, let's get straight into the video. This video was highly requested. A lot of you beautiful souls have sent me messages on Instagram, email, telling me to create a video on countries you can, study for very affordable rates, country that is not so expensive like the UK. Anyway, I found something even better. This is totally free, completely free for masters. Even though you can study in this country for free, you still need money to support yourself while you're in the country. The good thing is that you can work part-time, no more than 20 hours a week while you're in this country. But now, which country am I talking about? I'm talking about the beautiful country, Norway. Let me tell you reasons why you should study in Norway. Number one reason is tuition fee is free to everyone. So whether you are EU citizen, non-EU citizen, as long as whichever country you're living, you can study in Norway for free. Number two reason is you get high quality of life. Norway is one of the most fantastic places to live and work and study. This is the reason why you should consider moving to Norway. Number three, English language is widely spoken in Norway. Even though English is widely spoken in Norway, you also need to learn how to speak Norwegian in order for you to integrate into the society a lot better. Now let's talk about the process. Norway education is free for everyone, though an admin fee may be required. That's, you may pay a small semester fee of between €30 and €60, which will grant you membership to the University Student Welfare Organization. Norway is an excellent postgraduate destination. It's a good place for you to go and study. Now let's talk about application and admission. Application and admission to higher education in Norway is handled by each institution, and different institutions may have different requirements and deadlines. Make sure you obtain all necessary information about requirements, documentation, and deadlines for the different study programs and institutions. For you to apply for master's program in Norway, you need to have a bachelor's degree or equivalent of at least 3 years duration. The degree must include courses equal to at least 1.5 years of a full-time study in a subject relevant to the program you applied for. If you're going for masters in science, or just for example, your bachelor's degree has to have courses in science or have to be related to science, so that is a catch. So if you want to go and do your masters in Norway, your bachelor's degree will have to be relevant to the one you applied for your masters in Norway. Now, English language requirements. I know this is a lot of questions people always ask. Do I need IELTS? Do I need IELTS? I don't know what you guys are scared of. IELTS is not hard to pass. I mean, yes, you do need IELTS for you to apply for this. So you need English language proficiency results. So different universities, different institutions in Norway have their own score requirements. Just in case you want to ask me what score do they require, I can't tell you now, because different institutions in Norway have different requirements of English language score. So you need to check in with the school you've applied to. Let's say you've applied to a university in Norway, you need to go and check their requirements. What band score do they require for the admission? And also, if they would leave the link to the English that they expect you to write, the IELTS that you're supposed to write, everything will be on the website. So even though your study program is taught in English, a certain knowledge of Norwegian language will help you both academically and socially. So let's talk about funding. Though you won't normally pay tuition fees on a Norwegian master's degree, but the cost of living in Norway is relatively high. For this reason, it is desirable to secure some form of external funds to cover maintenance costs during your time in Norway. A number of scholarship and packages exist to help students from certain countries. Unfortunately, I checked, if you're a Nigerian watching this, the Nigerian government do not have any support for you in Norway. Yeah, there are tons of scholarship and package for countries that consider their citizens that want to support their citizens in Norway, and unfortunately Nigeria is not on the list. I don't think I saw any African country. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so but there are some scholarship available or packages to help support students who are studying in Norway. I mean, like money or something, or like support, financial support, maintenance, but it's not for every country, for eligible countries. So I would leave the link in the description box below so you can check if your country is on the list. But if you're if you're a Nigerian watching this, an African, you're not on the list. India is on the list, so you can access some of the scholarship. Applying for a master's in Norway. Admission to a master's program in Norway usually requires a bachelor's degree in equivalent subject area. Certification of your previous qualification is needed. A statement of interest in the course and suitability to your experience and career goals is needed. And lastly, prove that you have financial means to support yourself during your studies in Norway. This means that you need to have certain amount of money in your bank account. When you're applying for your visa, you have to show proof of funds. Okay, there's a certain amount they require you to have in your account for each year. So if your course is for a year, you will need the money in your account for a year. If your course is for 2 years, you need double of the money, so you need times 2 of the money. So each year has money you need. So depending on how long your master's is for, most masters in Norway are 2 years, no more than 2 years. So you would need money, proof of funds for 2 years. I'll leave the link to where you can check how much you would need to have in your bank accounts before you apply for your visa. Here are the rights and obligations for applicants who have been granted a study permit. You cannot be self-employed or run your own business in Norway. 2. If you're granted a study permit, you are automatically also granted permission to work part-time for up to 20 hours per week, including remote work, in addition to your studies, and full-time during holidays. During holiday, you can work for more hours. You're not restricted to the 20 hours. But during school term, you're restricted to the 20 hours. Another thing, your spouse and children can apply to come and live with you in Norway. But note that the UDI currently do not have the capacity to process your family member's application at the same time as your application as a student. This is to say that when you're applying for your student permits, they cannot process your student permit with your wife or children permits at the same time. But when you get to Norway, you can still process their own family permits. They will come and join you when they get their visa, but they are not going to follow you at the same time. I do not know why that is, but you can travel with your family. Lastly, the period you have this permit does not count if you later wish to apply for a permanent residence permit. So if you finally decide, okay, I want to live in Norway, the time you spent on a student visa will not count towards your resident permit. After your study, you were lucky to get a job and you switch to a work visa, the time you spent on a student visa will not count. It will start counting from the work visa. That is everything about schooling in Norway for free. And trust me, I have every resources in the description box below. So if you want to apply for your visa, the link is in the description box below. If you want to look for university, you're looking for which school to study, remember, it's only public universities in Norway that is free. Private university is not free, so you have to pay. So the link to universities where you can study for free, it's in the description box below. How to apply for visa for Nigerians, the Norway embassy is in Abuja, and the link to application for my Nigerian people is in the description box below. For those who are not Nigerians watching this, the link is also in the description box below. If you want to apply for the visa for your family, the link to that is in the description box below. English proficiency, the link, like I said, everything is down below. Please click each link, because I noticed that sometimes when I say the link is in the description box below, some of you still leave comments and be like, Faith, how can I do this? I've left everything in the description box below. If you don't check it, what's the essence of me creating content for you guys if at the end of the day it feels like you're not getting what I'm saying? So please check the description box below for every single information you need. Like, I would label it so you know which one is for which. Okay guys, Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, because a part 2 is coming. It is not just Norway you can study for free. There are other countries as well, but I want to do it one country at a time so that I can have enough time to share resources, because if I want to do all the countries together, this video is going to be like an hour. I'm sure this one is already long. Anyway, then part 2 of free countries to study is coming up, so subscribe to the channel so you do not miss that video, and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it and you're supporting my channel. Guys, I'll see you in my next video.